we want our potential users to be able to sign up, log in, and log out. Go to the following Django URL, which will lead you to the All Authentication page. We're going to install this. On the left panel, hit Installation. Copy pip install Django All Auth. Open up your terminal, then paste this. Now, Django All Auth is installing. Once it's installed, run the server. Go back to All Authentication installation. In settings.py, we need to make sure we have this template context processor. This can be found on line 70, django.template.context_processors.requests. We already have it. Go back to the All Auth installation guide. Copy the highlighted text from authentication backends through the bracketed text. Open settings.py and paste below the template setting on line 78. Make sure that you first remove any of the ellipses. Go back to the All Authentication installation guide. Copy django.contrib.sites right through allauth.social account. Open settings.py and paste this below crispy_forms. This will be found on line 48. There are many different providers, but for now, we're just going to install these apps. Go back to the All Authentication installation. After installed apps, copy site_ID = 1. Again, open settings.py. Scroll to the bottom and paste. Go back to the All Authentication installation. Copy the URL. Now we're going to open urls.py. Under the URL for contact, you're going to paste what you just copied and type include . Once this is complete, open your terminal and then run python manage.py migrate. Go back to the All Authentication installation. From the left panel, click Configuration. This page discusses all auth settings. These settings have default configurations. For example, account_confirm_email's default is false. We've already copied and pasted these settings into a separate file. We left some of these settings with their default configuration. I'm going to talk about some of these settings. To make this easier for you, I'll make sure to upload this code to the lecture. So all you'll have to do is copy and paste from the video's attached code. If you have any questions, all these settings are explained in the Django All Authentication documentation. Go ahead and open settings.py. Scroll right to the bottom and type the following lines of code. login_URL / accounts/login. Below that, you're going to want to add login_redirect_URL and set the variable to a /. Lastly, paste what you copied right below. For the login_URL, if a user goes to accounts login, they will see the login page. Login_redirect_URL is the page where the user is taken after they have logged in. In this case, after the user logs in, I'm redirected to the home page. Account_authentication_method can be the username, email, or both. Account_confirm_email_on_get = false means that when the user account is accessed, All Authentication will look to see if the user's account has been confirmed. All Authentication can do different things depending on if the email is confirmed or not. I'm not going to be using this, so I just kept it set to false. Account underscore email underscore confirmation underscore anonymous underscore redirect underscore URL equals login underscore URL. When a user signs up, they are sent an email to confirm their account. This setting dictates where an anonymous user be sent to after they have confirmed their email. An anonymous user is a user who is logged out of their account. I'll send anonymous user who clicked this email confirmation link to the login page. Account underscore email underscore confirmation underscore authenticated underscore redirect underscore URL equals none. This is similar to the last one. However, this setting redirects signed-in users who click the email confirmation link. I'll send these users to the home page. Account underscore email underscore confirmation underscore expire underscore days equals 3. This setting specifies when the link in the user sign-up confirmation email actually expires. Account underscore email underscore required equals false. If account email required is set to true, then when registering for the site, the user must provide an email address. If this is set to false, a user can register for the site with just a username and password. Account underscore email underscore verification. This setting determines that the email verification method during sign-up, choosing one of mandatory, optional, or none. When set to mandatory, the user is blocked from logging in until the email address is verified. Choose optional or none to allow logins with an unverified email address. In case of optional, the email verification mail is still sent, whereas in case of none, no email verification mails are sent. In this case, we don't care if the user's email is valid, so we will have ours set to none. Account underscore email underscore subject underscore prefix equals site. This is the subject of the sent email. The default is the site's name. Account underscore default underscore HTTP underscore protocol equals HTTP. All authentication uses this protocol to create URLs. For example, an email URL to reset a forgotten password. If the site is secure, use HTTPS. This site will default to HTTP. Account underscore logout underscore on underscore get equals false. If this is set to false when logging out, a prompt will appear asking you if you are sure you want to log out. If this is set to true when logging out, the user will immediately be logged out. Account underscore logout underscore redirect underscore URL equals slash. This is the URL the user is taken to after they have logged out. Mine takes the user to the home page once they log out. Account underscore signup underscore form underscore class equals none. If you didn't want to use the default all authentication signup form, you can configure custom field here. I'll leave it set to none. Account underscore signup underscore password underscore verification equals true. If this is set to true, when signing up, the user will have to input the same password twice. This helps to avoid typos. Account underscore unique underscore email equals true. If account unique email is set to true, then no two accounts can sign up with the same email address. The default is true. I'll leave mine like that. Account underscore user underscore model underscore username underscore field equals username. This is where you set the name of the field where users input their username. You would need to create a custom user model to do this. I'm not going to create a custom model, so I'll leave this as the default. Account underscore model underscore email underscore field equals email. Again, I'm not going to create a custom field, so I'll leave this as default. Account underscore username underscore min underscore length equals 5. This is where you set the minimum number of characters that a username can be. Account underscore username underscore blacklist equals banned username. If you don't want users on your site to use a certain username, put the username in this blacklist. I would recommend leaving this empty. Ban usernames when problems actually begin to arise. Account underscore username underscore required equals true. If account username required is set to true, then a username must be entered when a user registers for the site. Again, I'll leave this set to true. Account underscore password underscore input underscore render underscore value equals false. If this is set to false, then the password will be hidden as the user types. I like that feature, so I'll leave this set to false. Account underscore password underscore min underscore length equals 6. This is where you set the minimum number of characters that a password can actually be. Account underscore login underscore on underscore email underscore confirmation equals true. If this is set to true, then when a user confirms their email address, they will be automatically logged in. I'll leave this set to true. By changing this setting to false, they will not be logged in, but redirected to the account underscore email underscore confirmation anonymous redirect URL. I just went through the settings for Django all authentication. If you have any other questions, remember to look at the documentation provided. It goes over the stuff in really good detail. So now we've installed Django all authentication. I want to test it out. So run the project's local server. Go to admin and make sure you're logged out. Next, go to accounts/login. All of this is from all authentication. We can use our admin username and password to log in. Then to log out, just go to accounts/logout. I'm redirected to the home page. You can also go to accounts/signup to register with another email address.